Hello, my friends from Towne Yoga and from Buddy over here who is joining us for our practice today. And Buddy is at the, he's so cute right now. Buddy is at the foot of the mat because we're going to do some full body twists today. So you want to find a space where you can open your torso out really wide, so your arms out wide. So I'm going to be laying with my shoulders across here so I can open out wide and take my twisting side to side. So Buddy relocated down to the bottom of the mat and he is thrilled about it. Hamming it up today. Oh, all right. So this is just one pose or one little series of poses for kind of twisting, lengthening, kind of unwinding, if you will, a little bit. It's really great in the morning time. I would love to do this as kind of a wake up in bed if you have kind of a bigger bed. It's also really nice in the evening though as kind of a wind down from the day. So whenever you want to take a gentle series of poses, this is a great series to learn, to kind of have in your pocket. And we're just going to come to start laying on our backs. So you'll come on down to laying, maybe on a carpet or a yoga mat, just anywhere where there's a little bit of comfort underneath you. That's why I took the blanket out here. And in a space where you can open your arms out wide into a T. I have just enough space where I am, which is wonderful. And then you're going to start with your knees bent and your feet planted, and it's just a nice way to kind of let your lower back relax, find a little length in your spine, and feel your breath for a round or two. And how we're going to take this twist is I'm going to cue us through each part of it first and just hold it there for a breath or two. And then after we do each part, we'll start back in the center and I'll cue you in a 1 breath per movement pattern for a few rounds and then just say go at your own pace and we'll all finish with a few last ones. So to start, I'll have you draw your hips, your knees, and your ankles all to about 90 degrees as you lift your feet up. And I say that, and then when I look at the film, I'm never at 90. I'm usually a little bit more than that. So it's just a rough estimate. Don't worry too much about the angles. With your palms face up by your sides, turn to your left hand and then lower both knees over to the left side. Slowly and gently, your abdominals kind of engage as you lower your legs down. And then here you'll have this nice big stretch here through the right side of your body as your arms are open out wide to a twist. And now here, staying on your left side, your right hand's going to come over the top and meet the left. So now you're laying completely on your left side, palm to palm. Your knees here. If you need to, you can kind of go grab a pillow for underneath your head if this is not too comfortable. But we're going to flow out of that. So you're going to lift the right hand back up, opening back out into that nice big T. And then the knees will follow as you inhale, draw your knees back to center, abdominals engage. You might even press your hands into the mat as you come back to this center spot. And then as you exhale, lower both knees over to the right now. Look to the right hand, lower over to the right side. Now you're in this nice big T, stretching on the opposite side of the body. The left side is opening up quite a bit. And now we're going to close the posture as you bring the left hand all the way up. And then reach palm to palm, laying on your right side. Here you are in this kind of closed bookend. And now you're going to inhale back up and exhale back out wide. Here you are in the T again. And as you press down with your hands, if you need to make it a little easier, you can draw your knees up towards your shoulders first and then kind of wrap them around, a little less work in the abs. And then we'll come back out to around that 90 degrees. And here we are in our starting where we started all this. So now I'm going to start to cue this with 1 breath per movement. So we're in this starting posture here. Arms are open out wide. We have about 90 degrees. Abdominals are gently working. And then exhale, look to your left, lower down to the left-hand side. Inhale, reach your right hand up to the sky. Exhale, palm to palm, laying on your left. Inhale, reach back up to the sky. Exhale, open back out wide into a T. Inhale and draw your knees back to the center. And exhale, lower them over to the right. Inhale, left hand up to the sky. Exhale, palm to palm, laying on your right side. Inhale, left arm back up to the sky. Exhale, open out wide into a T. Inhale, your knees follow up into the center, and we'll keep flowing as you exhale over to the left. Inhale, up to the sky. Exhale, palm to palm on your side. Inhaling back up. Exhale, out wide into the twist. Inhale, drawing knees center. Exhale, lower to the right. Inhale, left hand lifts up. Exhale, palm to palm on your right side. Inhaling back up to center. Exhale, open wide, and then inhale, knees will follow. I'm going to cue one more. Exhaling over to the left. Inhaling up. Exhale down to the side. Inhale, open. Exhale to the earth. Inhale, knees follow center. Exhale, lower them over to the right. Inhale, back up to the sky. Exhale, palm to palm on your right hand side. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, open wide. And inhale, knees follow back to start. And you can flow now at your own breath pace, just lowering down and lifting up, maybe at one breath per movement. Or maybe you hold them a little bit longer, or pick one that wants to be held longer and hold that for a few rounds of breath before coming back into your flow. Just enjoy a few mindful rounds here, modifying the posture as ever feels best to you. Just take one or two more full rounds at your breath pace. And of course, if this is feeling good, you can stay here as long as you'd like. You can go back through the video if you'd like to have a little bit more cueing. And then slowly we'll just start to meet here in the center with the knees tucked in towards your torso and just giving a little rock side to side. And then you'll just rock all the way over to one side and use your top palm to press your torso up. And now from here you can move on to maybe another little yoga practice. If that movement kind of got you in the mode to move some more, I'll have some suggested videos pop up at the end here. Or maybe you're just going to go off and take care of your day with a little bit more length. Or wind down and take care of your sleep with a little bit more relaxed back and hips. Wherever it is, I hope that practice helped set you up for a nice next few rounds of breath in your life. And then I'm going to close out the practice here with hands at heart center. If you'd like to join in, you can just take a little bow. And I'd like to let you know that the light in me honors and respects the light in you. Namaste. If you enjoyed the practice, please feel free to share and send it along to others who would like it as well.